Have you ever shared an exciting idea with someone only to feel deflated after their reaction? Maybe they said, "Oh, really? That sounds tough." Or gave a polite smile and didn't reach their eyes. We've all been there. There's a reason why the saying goes, don't tell people your plans, show them the results. And today, I want to tell you why. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, do you tell your dreams to everyone? Do you think everyone wants you to win? Here's the hard truth. Sometimes the very people we trust might be clapping with one hand and hiding a knife in the other. Let me share something personal. There was a time I was about to pitch for a very massive design project, one that could have changed my life. I was so excited. I told a few people, friends, colleagues, even one I thought was like family. I shared my ideas, my strategy, even showed them the mock ups. They listened, nodded, and even praised me. But guess what? That very pitch was subtly leaked. A rival came in with a very similar proposal. I didn't get the project. That's when I realized the knife I handed over to cut a cake of celebration was used to cut me out of the race. Lessons learned. From that day on, I stopped announcing my moves. I started moving in silence and let my success do the talking. You see, silence is power. Plants are delicate. They need time to grow roots. When you talk too much about what you will do, you open the door for doubt, envy, or even sabotage. Think of it like baking a cake. Would you keep opening the oven every 2 minutes to show everyone? No, it will collapse. You wait, you prepare, and when it's ready, you serve it warm and complete. So here's my message to you today. Be guarded, not secretive. Be focused, not flashy. Surprise the world with what you have done, not with what you are planning to do. And remember, not everyone clapping is happy for you. Some are just making noise to distract you. So walk your path quietly, build in silence. And when you're ready, let your work walk into the room before you do. If this message resonated with you, leave a comment. Let your success speak. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we are building a tribe that believes in action, not words. Until next time, I believe in you. I love you. Keep rising.